So you might be having issues on your iPhone where for some reason your front camera is giving you some problems. So this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The number one thing I'd recommend doing here is just double checking what exactly is going wrong within your front camera. So in this case, you can see if I open up my camera application, and if the front camera seems to be working, but it's finicky or it has some issues or there's some glare or whatever going on around it, the first thing I'd recommend doing is going through and wiping down that front camera. So just go through, try wiping down this camera that you have on the front, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. And for a lot of people, that might be the thing that ends up fixing it for you. Now, if you do that and that still doesn't end up fixing it, the next thing I'd recommend doing here is to go through and try seeing if there is a hardware defect with your phone. You might want to go through and see if there's a situation where your settings application is telling you that your front camera is messed up. You can do this by going into your settings app like this, scrolling down until you see this camera section. So you should be able to find camera right here. It's not too far. Tap on it. And then you want to just see if there's something that tells you that the camera is messed up. Or you might have to go inside of General, then click on About, and you might see something that tells you that the camera on your iPhone isn't fully functioning, and you might have to go and get it replaced. Now, if that doesn't seem to be the issue, another thing I recommend doing is to basically update your iPhone. So make your way back into your iPhone settings, click on General, which is right here, click on Software Update, and try seeing if there is an update available for your iPhone. Once again, there's a very high chance that there might be an update available, and you might just want to try updating your iPhone from that standpoint. And finally, if none of those things are working, you can try restarting your phone. So hold the buttons you normally would to restart your device, go ahead and slide this thing to power it off, get a few moments, power back on, and you want to see if that ends up fixing it. And for a lot of people, that might end up doing it for you. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.